Teaching you how to change the face in the photo without loss of quality and with the full photo details. Recommended for better performance. Turn on the filter breaker. Open the Google folder. Open the Google Chrome browser. In the search box, type FaceSwap or .ai in search. After typing, we click on the first site. The Face a Changes site opens. Change the face of the photo you want. You click on the box. You choose the photo you want. Once selected, click Done. The character you want to be. Click on the box. Choose the photo you want. And click on the Start option. Wait a while for the photo to upload. It is changing, please wait. The changes were successful. If you want to eat it, click on Download to save. High quality save to gallery. Dear friends, our training is over. It would be happy if you introduce us to your friends. Thank you for your support.